his niece is a super nice person. I met them both.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, that's good.
Have you ever seen Wind River?
It's a good movie.
Yeah, I like it. With
I
what's
haven't seen that in a long time.
yeah, what's his name? His last name's Green.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, his last name's